The neurobiology of Alzheimer's disease group is interested in knowing how brain functions during memory processing in order to understand the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying neural circuit dysfunction in age-related cognitive disorders. For that purpose, our lab combines cellular and molecular approaches to better understand the mechanisms underlying neurodegeneration and memory loss in Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the main cause of dementia in the elderly, affecting currently 25 million people worldwide. Regretfully, there is still no cure for this devastating disorder, so understanding these pathological mechanisms may be important to develop new diagnostic tools and therapies. To better understand these pathological mechanisms, our lab is investigating the functional and genetic changes that occur in specific cell types of the brain, including neurons and glial cells. This information will be extremely useful to develop new pharmacological and gene therapy approaches for Alzheimer's disease.